So this video is just similar to the last video, so I just wanted to give you an example as to what can happen to Bitcoin, and I'll just use GameStop as an example. So GameStop had a huge run up. So why did GameStop fall? So GameStop fell because it had such a, it rose too quickly. Like it just shot up from whatever less than $20 to 450, and if something like that happens in like a couple days or like a day or whatever, like a week, whatever goes up that fast, like it's gonna come down. Like there's always gonna be there's always gonna be a buying cycle and a sell cycle. So if something's gonna go up that quick, just remember that the banks want you to lose your money, right? The banks they want your money. That's why most brokerages, that's how they work. Like they want you to invest with them so they can just take your money. Like because most people, they lose investments, right? They lose money in investing. They lose money in trading. Like that's how it works. Like they don't know how to do it. Only 1%, or I think it's less than that, like 0.5% of people are actually profitable. Like those are the only people that can make money and have a living doing that. So when that happens, like when it comes up that much, look what happened. That's not even close to being done. Look at that. Look at that. Look how far away that is. That hasn't even crossed the zero line. It can get all the way back down there. But usually zero lines, that's about like halfway. And that hasn't even got there yet. That means this could probably go back down to $20 or less, So that's what happened with GameStop. It just had such a huge run up. Like it just shot up. It went exponential. And look how far that moving average was. It was so far. It was so far. Like I think it was at like $80, and this went to 450. Everybody just took profit here. Like all the people that they know when to buy and sell. They took profit here, and that's where they got all the retail investors to buy. They suckered them in. That's how it works. That's how pumping works. They get all the people that are like, oh yeah, we can make money trading this stuff, and they get everyone to do it. They got all the retail people with money to do it, and that's where everybody loses money. Now everybody's holding shares at 400 and whatever it is. They're holding shares at like 480, right? 450, 480. They're holding their shares up there. They're wondering, oh, when am I going to get my money back? Well, they're probably not going to get their money back. It's going to be a huge loss. So people who invested like tens of thousands of dollars, 100,000, millions, who knows? Like, it's all gone. So what I'm saying is the same thing with Bitcoin. Don't buy at the top. Wait for things to look good. Like if you would have maybe bought in the $20 range, like when this is still oversold, you don't want to be buying over here. Like that's where it's like it's done. That's gambling at that point. That's Bitcoin right now. So just to kind of explain why this blew up and fell so fast. It's just because it went up so fast. That once something goes up that fast, it's gonna come crashing down. So just remember, you can check your moving averages, check everything else. Look for zero lines. Just have a look. Don't be stupid. Okay. So see you around.